Hello again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This one is going to be a two-parter. It's about the personal income tax code that I found. I'm going to do this a little differently than I normally would because we're going to take a deep dive into one of the parts of this. So that's why I'm doing two parts. I'm going to read the preamble and the goal, and then I'm going to read a couple bullet points, and that's going to be it for this. So here's the preamble. A fair and functioning tax system is the backbone of a just society, and for far too long, America's tax code has been distorted by loopholes, complexities, and favoritism toward the wealthiest individuals and corporations. The American people deserve a system that works for everyone, not just those with armies of accountants. This proposal offers a modern, pragmatic solution that rewards work, promotes responsibility, and strengthens the foundation of our democracy. It ensures that every citizen, family, and business has a fair shake in building a shared future of prosperity. Here's the goal: to create a modern tax code rooted in fairness, simplicity, and shared responsibility, where working Americans thrive, small businesses are protected, and everyone contributes their fair share to a country we all benefit from living in. Can't argue with any of that. I'm going to go into the tax rates here because that's the biggest portion of this. Transparent, progressive base rate tax system. America already uses something like that, so I'm not going to read how they describe it. But the tax brackets for this new system are taxable income, 0 to 55,000 at 10%, 55,001 to 250,000, 20%, 250,001 to 2 million, 30%, 2,000,001 plus 40%. Now this is annual income. Modernized standard deductions, same for everybody, doesn't care who you are. Single, you get 27,000 base deduction plus 6,000 for each dependent up to a total of 3. Head of household, you get 37,000 base deduction plus 6,000 for each dependent for a total of 3. Married filing jointly, you get a 52,000 a year base deduction, 6,000 for each dependent, totaling 3. It says here all types of income, wages, investments, dividends are taxed equally. Now this is where I disagree. I think Social Security should be exempt, and 401ks after retirement should be exempt from taxes. Thresholds and deductions automatically adjust for inflation annually. So it's not a set bracket. It doesn't stay the same. It's adjusted every year annually based on inflation. So if inflation goes up 2%, your deductions go up 2%. It sounds pretty good to me. If you haven't watched the previous video I released about Citizens United, I suggest that you do so because this next video after this one is going to explain why I did the Citizens United video, or at least part of it. The third one is the kicker. And I personally do not disagree with either one of these. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope to see you again in 1 week.